How to watch live video on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch live video on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Insta. Make sure that your Instagram app is up to date to its latest version. After you open up your Instagram, make sure that you're logged in into your account as well. After you've done all that, on the top, on the story section, you'll find this live badge instead of the normal story badge. So right here, as you can see, under here, you will see a live button. So that means that that person is currently going live. Now, if you want to watch the live video, all you have to do is open this. After you open this up, you can see that the live video is currently going on. Now you can tap on this top 3 button to see who are viewing this live video. So simply, you can simply watch this video, tap on the cross button if you want to just end the live video. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. That is how you watch live video on Instagram. Stay tuned for more.